Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we'll tell you about how to design a logo, a professional logo. Have you ever seen a big brand without a logo? No, that's because there aren't any. A logo has a major impact on how your customers will perceive your brand. So naturally, you want your logo to be outstanding. But how do you get there? Don't fret. This handy guide will teach you everything you need to know to design the perfect logo for your company. From defining your brand's identity and understanding what makes a great logo to making the right design choices and navigating the design process. Read the next 12 steps to design the best logo for your company. Number 1. Understand why you need a logo. Number 2. Define your brand identity. What's your brand identity? What is its niche, its topic? What are you offering your customers? Number 3. Find inspiration for your design. So your logo should be looking an inspirational one. Your customers should get some inspiration from your logo, from your company. Number 4. Check out the competition. It means that you have to check the other companies of your same topic, same products, and check their logo, and then you have to compete with them. And number 5, choose your design style. So the fifth step is to select the design style. Which types of logos are you hitting for? Number 6, find the right type of logo. Number 7, pay attention to color. So the color also matters here. Every company, every product has its own color, which attracts your customer. So you have to pay attention to your color of your logo. Number 8, pick the right typography. Number 9, communicate with your designer. Number 10, evaluate your logo options. Number 11, what not to do when designing a logo. So you have to consider those things. What should you not do while designing your logo? Number 12, integrate your logo design into your brand. So you will be having 50, 60 or 70 different types of pictures, and then you have to integrate all of them to make a final logo for your company. So these are the 12 steps, and they have then details in them, and you have to follow them, and then you will get your professional logo. Business is like dating. You are trying to attract the right customers and make them fall head over heels in love with your brand. So think of your logo as the picture on your dating profile. It's what's going to make people take interest and try to learn more about you, or swipe left because you are not for them. So you want to look your best. So because your logo is such an essential part of your brand, you want to make sure it's done well. All your branding materials will have your logo on them. It will stare back at your customers from your website, your packaging, your business cards. Make it a count. A great professional logo design not only has the power to communicate what you stand for, it will also make a good first impression and help you stand out from the competition. Thank you.